Sanibona, ngiyanimukela. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Namhlanje sizofunda isiZulu, sizofunda ukubingelela. Today I'm gonna teach you simple isiZulu greeting. Greeting is ukubingelela in isiZulu. So let us start. We say sawubona, 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 and that is hello. And the next person will reply and say yebo, which is yes, or hi, and that is yebo, yebo. So let me just make an example. So when I meet you or when I see you, I would say sawubona, sawubona, and you will reply by saying yebo, yebo. Then he'll continue to say unjani, unjani, and that means how are you? Unjani. Then the other person will say ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila, and that means I'm fine. Let me make an example again of how this will go. Unjani, and then the other person will say ngiyaphila. Now let me try and put it all together from the beginning. Sawubona, yebo. Unjani, ngiyaphila. That was a simple isiZulu greeting. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. See you in the next video where I bring you more or extended greeting.